Former Ako Bicol Party List Representative Elizalde Co breaks his silence on the 2025 budget mess and flood control issue. In a video statement sent to reporters on Friday, November 14, Co says he is surprised as to why President Bongbong Marcos allegedly claimed that he wasn't able to recognize the then proposed 2025 national budget from Congress. According to Co, the insertions were supposedly the idea of Marcos himself. Co says everything started after Budget Secretary Amenah Pangandaman called to inform him that Marcos allegedly wanted 100 billion pesos worth of insertions in the 2025 national budget. Co says Pangandaman had asked him to confirm the president's order with Presidential Legislative Liaison Office Undersecretary Adrian Bersamin. After confirmation, Co says he told then House Speaker Martin Romualdez about this instruction.
Tinawagan ko po agad si Yusek Adrian Bersamin at tinanong ko kung may instruction nga ba ang Pangulo na magpasok ng 100 billion during their meeting. Ang sabi niya ay totoo nga po. Right after our conversation, tinawagan ko po si dating Speaker Martin Romualdez at nireport ko ang instructions ng Presidente to insert the 100 billion projects. At sinabi niya sa akin, what the President wants, he gets.
The resigned House member also says he even appealed to Pangandaman and Bersamin to only allocate 50 billion pesos to unprogrammed funds. This is so that funds for the Department of Public Works and Highways would not exceed the allocation for the Department of Education, which would contravene constitutional provisions.
Pagkatapos ng isang araw, tinawagan ako ni Sec Mina at sinabi ang mensahe ng Pangulo. Ipasok ninyo yan dahil pinangako na sa akin ni Speaker Martin yan at hindi na pwedeng baguhin. Kumbaga, ang utos ng hari hindi pwedeng mabali. Again, I informed the Speaker and asked clearance about the instructions ng Pangulo. At ang sabi niya, wala tayong magagawa. Kaya po nagtataka ako kung bakit sinasabi ni Pangulo na hindi niya makilala ang budget, samantalang lahat na binawas at dinagdag sa mga ahensya ng gobyerno ay humihingi ng approval sa kanya si Sec Mina Pangandaman.
Questions have surrounded the 2025 budget ever since the Bicameral Conference Committee finalized the budget bill. This includes claims that the BICAM report the House ratified included blank items. Meanwhile, Co is accused of last-minute budget insertions in the 2025 national budget. He is also facing allegations of receiving kickbacks from government infrastructure projects. Co has previously denied these allegations. In a press briefing later today, Palace Press Officer Claire Castro refutes Co's allegations, calling them baseless.
Lahat ng mga sinasabi ni Zalde Co ay pawang mga imbento lamang, walang basihan, walang ebidensya. Umuwi muna siya sa Pilipinas at sumpaan ang kanyang mga sinabi at harapin ang mga demanda o kaso laban sa kanya. Pakatandaan natin, nagsimula ito sa sinabi ng Pangulo sa kanyang Zona 2025. Mahiya naman kayo. Bakit niya pasisimulan ang malalimang pag-iimbestiga? Mag-establish ng ICI, Independent Commission to investigate the anomalous flood control projects and other infrastructure kung ang Pangulo ay may kinalaman dito.